Rays. Nature's way of telling us to stay out of the ocean. But despite their infamous notoriety, these creatures are not only quite docile, but crucial to the health of the ocean. The Maritime Show presents rays and their surprising significance. Stingrays are a class of cartilaginous fish, which means their body is supported by cartilage rather than bone. They are mostly found in tropical regions but can be found throughout the world, both in fresh and salt water, which creates a wide variety between each and every species. Their diet mainly consists of mollusks and crustaceans, so you won't have to worry about them too much, unless you're a clam of course. Their most notable feature has many small barbs that are tipped with deadly venom. Depending on the ray, this venom can be strong enough to kill even a human. But despite their infamy, stingrays don't use their tails that often. Even for hunting, rays don't use their greatest weapon, but rather rely on their quick agility as well as their electrical sense, which helps them pick up the electrical charge of other animals. Now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about why you really came here today, their significance to the ecosystem. Many species of stingray are considered a keystone species. This means that if these species were to be taken out of an ecosystem, that ecosystem would have a meltdown. This is because stingrays act as hunters for both themselves and other animals around them. They scan for food along the sand looking for their favorite snack. However, they kick up other creatures in the process, catching the attention of other predators. These predators, such as various species of fish, will stay close to the ray's trail, picking up what it left behind. These savvy creatures have now integrated the stingray's habits into their own. So if stingrays were to be taken out of the equation, certain species would be unable to adapt quick enough, leading to their ultimate demise. Unfortunately, this fate may come to pass, as many species of rays are falling prey to one of the most vile creatures ever to walk the earth: humans. The habits of humans, including waste disposal, has led to the decline in population for many species of rays. This has become so dire that many species are considered at risk for extinction. If this were to happen, the organisms living under the hydrosphere would surely suffer. However, there is hope. Many organizations are working day and night to make sure this potential future does not become a reality. Even you can help save rays. By donating to organizations such as the Leonardo DiCaprio Foundation, you can prevent the extinction of rays. That's all for today, guys. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode of The Maritime Show.